This is Colt from Spit and Tex Upholstery. Where you been? I've been waiting for you. Here we go, going. Okay, we're doing some tops and we're doing some carpet. So come with me. We're going to replace this top. As you can see, there's some clear failures. So, fold this back a little bit, let you look inside this boat. Just giving you a quick perspective on something so you save yourself some money. Now, if you look inside here, this whole floor is one piece of carpet, okay? One piece of carpet. You can see down here, you can see snaps on the floor. It comes around under the seats, all the way around, all the way to the bow. What you see up underneath there? On the floor, this whole thing, and you'll see it out here in just a second. But we're gonna, the second part of this will be, I'm gonna show you how to make a new tarp. You know, a new top, excuse me. Neighbors, we're out in the country. Kids like to drag race around here. Hey, you know, a video's a video. Why not have it real? Okay, so anyway, we're doing a carpet in this boat for this lady, and we're doing a top, a main cover, and then a bow cover, and we'll show you how to do all that. So let's go back in the shop, or excuse me, out here. It's a nice day. I got stuff on the table. So I just use my concrete slab. You can do the same thing. You know, this is, it's 4 yards long, okay? 4 yards long, 6 feet wide, or 6 feet wide. So what I've done is I purchased the carpet. It's the green that they wanted, or that she wanted. And so basically, all you do when you got a piece of carpet like this, you lay it flat. You get the piece itself perfectly flat and arranged correctly, and then you just chalk it out. And then you cut it out. So, as you can see, this is the first step. This is the inside of the carpet. This is the centerpiece. So, had a little glitch with my phone. Battery charger thing. So you see how this is traced out? You just basically cut it out, okay? And then you have to bind the entire edges. So I'm just showing you, when you trace something out like this, always cut on the outside of your chalk line, okay? Because you're gonna have a little gathering here and there. You never know, but your trace line, and you'll see you want to always cut it straight. If there's a little wiggle where there was a snap, because a snap will pull and distort the fabric, always come a little wide. Just, you know, like a fat 1/8 of an inch. A little rule of thumb. And you can do this. You can replace your own carpet. Of course, you have to have the means, but you want to come on the outside of your trace line always. And if it's straight, it's straight. If it's not, make it straight. Okay? So you get the general idea. We're going to stop the video and we'll come back at the end. All right, I'll see you around like a donut.